So currently we are seeing the S&P 500 futures declining. Investors are dumping the risk assets as concerns are mounting over the health of the US economy. The S&P 500 futures are currently down 0.3%, while the Nasdaq 100 futures are currently down 0.6%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are hovering around flatline at this point of time. Investors have ditched popular technology and chip maker stocks such as the economic worries have resurged. Nvidia and AMD have lost more than 1% in pre-market trading. Meta platforms, Microsoft and Alphabet have dipped about 1% each. The pre-market declines have accelerated after the private payrolls growth data released by ADP shows the weakest growth since 2021, heightening fears of a deteriorating labor market in the United States. The market shows hypersensitivity to potential growth scares in recent weeks, including Tuesday's sell-off on the heels of weak manufacturing data. This puts heightened scrutiny on upcoming labor market data. While the incoming data is mixed, it is not collapsing as yet, and the global cutting cycle should help the economy achieve a soft landing. And that is the general premise or the hypothesis that is there in most analyst minds. Although the US economy remains on track for a soft landing scenario, the ongoing market turbulence isn't out of the question in the near term. We see this as a broadly positive environment for equities, but a lot is arguably priced in and there are a number of wildcards to get through. Tesla has risen about 3% before the bell after the electric vehicle maker said that it plans to launch its full self-driving driver assistance software in Europe and in China early next year. Frontier Communications has dropped 10% after Verizon said that it would buy the company in a $20 billion deal. Verizon added 1%. Thursday's pre-market moves comes after the S&P 500 and Nasdaq each closed lower for the second straight session, dipping 0.16% and 0.30% respectively. The Dow squeezed out a nominal gain of 38 points at close on Wednesday. Friends, to get to know where the markets are headed, whether the recession fears will now start gathering pace, whether fear will get the better of greed, do join our Prime or Prime Plus Telegram channels for the US markets, which are addressed primarily to understanding where the US markets are headed from here. So we give you forecasts for the next few days, weeks and months. And in order to join, please do WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. Have a great investing day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.